What is up, guys? It's your girl Kashia, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little review on this one product that I feel helped my skin so much, like so much. It's ridiculous. So just a little backstory. My skin has been like breaking out so bad. Most of my breakouts have been like on my cheek area, and it was so bad across my forehead. I do believe it's from like the mask, and also I am a patient care tech in a hospital, so I have to wear a mask and I have to wear a face shield, and it like goes on my forehead. So I'm just like, something gotta give. I need to clear this up. So I've tried every product from like The Ordinary. I've tried natural remedies. I've tried so many things. Like I have so many The Ordinary products just sitting on my nightstand, because once I tried MDacne, I just dropped everything else, and that was just my go-to product to use for my face. I'm going to insert some pictures of like my face before I even started using anything, pictures of my face when I was using The Ordinary. And like another thing is, when I used The Ordinary, I feel like it just was making it worse. It was making it worse. So like I said, my horrible areas are my cheeks and it was my forehead. But like, y'all, after like a week of using the MDacne, my forehead was clear, completely clear. Like it was crazy. My cheeks are a little bit more stubborn, but when I tell you, it was just so, it's still so much better. So in order to get your MDacne, there is an app. I believe there's a website as well, but I think the website sends you right to the app. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how the app works now. Please excuse my nails. I am in nursing school, so I can't have nails on and they look terrible. Okay, so first step, first you have to download the MDacne app, and once you download it, this is the screen that you will see, and it'll tell you step by step everything you need to do. So this is just showing you like what you have to do. So it says first you take a selfie, then they assess your skin, and then you get your customized treatment kit sent to you. So I didn't mention before, but MDacne, they like literally customize the your products for you. So whatever you need in order to get rid of your acne, that's what they create for you. So you hit start, and then you of course pick your gender, female. How old are you? I'm 25. Okay, how long have you had acne? So you have less than 3 months, 3 months to a year, or more than a year. So I select 3 months to a year because I've had my acne now for about 3 months. But again guys, I already have an account, so I'm just showing you, like demonstrating how you set yours up. Okay, so which treatments have you tried before? So I've tried, oh goodness, I've only tried creams. I've never tried like pills, or like, and I'm assuming pills are just like you know, like something like hair, skin, and nails, like vitamins. So do you have sensitive skin? Yes, I do. And then I love this feature. It asks for your skin tone, because I feel like this is so important. So I would say I have like dark skin. What is your skin type? So the options are dry, regular, oily, combination, or you can select I'm not sure. I want to say I have regular skin, because my skin does not get oily. It does get dry, but not like super dry. So the next question is, describe your acne. So do you have only blackheads? Is your acne mild? I hope you guys can see this. Is your acne mild, moderate, severe? It shows you like, you know, I don't know if you guys can see, these are like, you know, mild, moderate, severe. So it shows you, so you can kind of see a picture of like, okay, mine kind of looks like this. So mine kind of looks like this on one side of my face. Any of these trigger your breakouts? So monthly cycle, I can't talk. Monthly cycle, poor diet, stress, or sweat. definitely monthly cycle and definitely poor diet. So then you hit next. Do you have freckles, shaving bumps, large pores? I don't have any of those. Any additional concerns? Do you have body acne, dark spots, acne scars, skin aging? So definitely dark spots and acne scars for me. Next. Any known sensitivities? Adapalene, retinol, benzoyl peroxide. I have no sensitivities. Now let's analyze your skin. So this process, you just click analyze and it takes a picture of your face and it just kind of like tries to detect the acne that you have. So let's analyze. Okay, so it's telling you how to set up your phone so it's a good picture. So make sure your face is well lit and evenly illuminated. There are no shadows on your face and your hair is off of your face. So got it. And the camera will come up. So then you just register your face and then you just set up your account and everything. So I already have an account. And also another thing that I do like about the app, I'm actually going to sign into my account right now. Once you log into or create an account for the app, it just kind of like prompts you. It shows you everything step by step. You can start a routine. So it shows you guys videos like of how to use the products, which is pretty cool. And you have like a community. There's people you can communicate with, anybody who like you can relate to. You also get like daily reminders. You can set up daily reminders on there for you to like send you notifications saying, okay, it's time for you to do your morning routine or your night routine. Once you like sign in and everything, create an account, they'll show you what your customization kit is. There's 3 for me, and I got the customized treatment cream, I got the customized hydrating cleanser, and the customized active moisturizer. So the thing I love about this is when you first do sign up for this, you can get a free trial. And the only thing you have to pay for is shipping. And it's like $9, I think. So you're getting these things for $9. And then once your free trial is over, it'll just be $19.95 a month. So, and then they just automatically send you your products after that, like every month or so, a month I think. But I honestly didn't even run out of my first batch of products from the trial. So I just ran out of the cleanser, but as far as the creams, I still have some. They are low, but they last for a long time. So when your kit comes, it'll come in this little blue box right here, which is so cute. This is not my trial box, but my trial box came with like a bunch of blue confetti and it was really cute. And then once you open the trial box, you'll get like a card in there and you can scan it off from the app. Use your app to scan the card and then it'll just start your whole process. This is the cleanser. This is the moisturizer for the day, and this is my night cream. So these products are like, they work wonders. They work wonders. So when I first started using the product, for one, it felt so good on my face. Like it made my face super smooth, and I just feel like all like dead skin. It almost felt like it was maybe like an exfoliator, but it's not. I don't believe that it's an exfoliator, but it just felt like it really cleaned my skin and kept it moisturized. So it just felt so soft. It's a moisturizing cleanser, so it did its job. When I first started using it, within like the first 2 weeks, for the cleanser on my cheek areas, I started noticing so many more breakouts. So it was just like crazy. And I'm like, this is more breakouts than I had in the first place. So I messaged the dermatologist and I'm like, what's going on? And they replied back, I think within the next day. And they were just like, you know, when you first start a product, your face kind of purges. So like when you do these products, your face is purging. So if you had a pimple that was about to come to the surface, it pulls it right up to the surface. It just tries to pull all of those like oils and things underneath your skin out. So I was getting a lot of pimples. on my cheek area. But then on my forehead area, it was breaking out as well. But then within the next week, my forehead area like completely cleared up. And I'm talking about acne wise, guys. You're still gonna, in my pictures, you're still gonna see dark marks, which I still have dark marks, but even on my forehead area, but it has gotten a lot lighter. But yeah, so my forehead completely cleared up. My cheeks were still like kind of purging. I feel like my cheeks are super stubborn because I still have to wear masks. So it's like it clears up, and then when I put the mask on, it like breaks out again. So I'm trying to get that under control still. But so yeah, so it purged. So then within like, I want to say like the 3rd week, I can tell that like my acne was clearing up. Like my pimples were a lot smaller, and they were, my skin was just so smooth and just felt so clean, and I like loved it. I loved it. I've seen a significant difference using MDacne. What I'm about to do is show you guys how I use my MDacne kit. Also, you're gonna see me with the same shirt on in my next vlog that I'll be uploading, and that's only because I'm doing my first week of nursing school vlog. So you're gonna see that, and on Friday I'm gonna upload that, and you're gonna see me having the same shirt on. So no, I'm not wearing the same shirt back to back like that. It's just literally the same day. So first I wet my face, and then I apply my cleanser, and I just like to work it in my face for a few minutes, and it lathers up really good. I'm telling you guys, it feels so good on your face. Then I just wash my face off, and yes, I wipe my face with a paper towel. It's more cleanly. I'm just showing you guys how my face looks afterwards. You can see how broken out my face is. And here I'm just applying my toner, nothing special. Now this is for my night cream, and guys, this is my nighttime routine. So my night cream, and then I'm going to show you guys my forehead and how clear my forehead looks. And this is just my rose seed oil, and this is by The Ordinary, but I like to put this on at night because in the morning I just feel like it's too oily, and I feel like it makes my face glow. I like the results. Now it is the next morning, and also same shirt that you guys will see in my next vlog, but this is my day moisturizer, and this right here feels so good, like, oh my gosh. So I just like to apply it evenly all over my face, my forehead, and you just gotta apply a good enough layer. And this is my face. I don't know if you guys can see the difference from last night and this morning, but my pimples were a lot more flat, but it's really hard to see in the camera. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and subscribe.